Tell me about this great project you have here at the Dubai International Boat Show.
Hello. Well, this project is about the sailing around the world using solar energy. The project is called Nova Solar Powered Catamaran. This is the first appearance. We brought it from Europe a couple months ago, and we installed the solar panels, some instruments, and after the boat show we'll go for the sea trials here in the bay. And this is a unique opportunity to tell to the UAE what we're doing.
And this is the solar panel?
This is a solar panel. We have 66 square meters of solar panels.
How many?
66 square meters.
Wow.
On deck and on sides. The autonomy is 48 hours, so you can sail with this boat for 48 hours without sun. Basically, it's like the vehicle, electrical vehicle, which you plug every day. With this boat, you can sail non-stop around the world. If there is no sun, you have 48 hours to continue. But we hope that after 48 hours, you will have some sun. The batteries here, they have 22% efficiency. That means that even now, the boat is charging. You know, you get even with this light, dispersed light, you get charged. So you don't need direct light. Basically, as soon as the sun starts to climb off the horizon, you get charged. Because people think that you need direct light. With these batteries, you don't need direct light. You just need some light. Basically, it's like with your eyes. You see light, that means that the batteries see light as well. And that's why we have confidence that the captain of this boat can cross the Atlantic, Indian and Pacific Ocean. We will start sea trials here in the Gulf in a couple of months. We will go to Qatar, Oman and then to India. So you will see this boat going alongside the coast. And when every system is checked and we are happy with the performance, then we send the boat in the 40-foot container. The catamaran is 40-footer. That was designed especially to be shipped in the container, any place in the world. The first trip will be from Chile to Australia, across the Pacific Ocean. This is continent to continent, the largest route possible. It's in the southern hemisphere, and we reckon it will take between 60 and 70 days to do the Pacific crossing.
Right, and what kind of speeds are we talking about?
We're talking about seven knots. That's our.
That's a good speed for a sailing boat.
Yeah, and it's a pure solar battery boat. There is no generators. There is no any other kind of backup. We 100% rely on sun.